Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and unplugging the screen. This prevents damage and shows smudges clearly. Next, lay out a clean microfiber cloth, a 70% isopropyl mixture or distilled water, and cotton swabs. You should test the cleaner on a tiny corner to ensure the olefophobic coating won't strip. Once done, lightly dampen the cloth, never spray the screen, and proceed with the first pass. Gentle, broad strokes to lift oils so you can see what needs deeper attention. You now move into the detailed cleaning. With the damp microfiber, use slow circular motions to dissolve fingerprint oil, then finish with vertical strokes to remove streaks. This combination breaks up residue without abrading the surface. For corners, speaker grills, and around cameras, use a barely damp cotton swab. Keep liquids away from openings. Make sure you maintain light pressure. Too much force can wear the olefophobic layer, while too little won't remove trapped oils. Continue until you finish by drying the screen with a fresh, dry microfiber cloth, inspecting under bright light for streaks or missed smudges. If you still see fingerprints, repeat the process using distilled water only. Alcohol can remove olefophobic coatings over time. Make sure to let the screen air dry completely before powering on. Troubleshooting tip. If persistent oils or rainbowing persist, the olefophobic coating may be damaged. Use a thin screen protector or consult a repair service rather than continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.